In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a newsletter on Kitcom. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to create a clean, professional broadcast from start to finish. Start by opening Kit.com and heading to your dashboard. From here, look for the Send option. This is your hub for anything you plan to deliver to your audience. Click Send, then choose Broadcasts. Broadcasts are one-time messages you send to everyone you select, perfect for newsletters, announcements, and promotions. They're different from automations, which send on a trigger. Broadcasts go out when you decide. That makes them ideal for weekly roundups, launch notes, and seasonal offers. Next, click New Broadcast. This opens the editor flow. You'll be prompted to choose a template. Pick the layout that best matches your goal, simple text for quick updates, or a more visual template if you plan to include images, buttons, or product highlights. Choose something that aligns with your brand's look and leaves enough white space for easy reading. Remember, you can always customize colors, spacing, and sections later. Now, enter your subject line. Keep it clear, specific, and benefit-focused so subscribers know exactly why they should open. Aim for something concise that avoids spammy wording. A straightforward promise or outcome usually works best, and if you use emojis, do so sparingly to maintain professionalism. Add your title next. Think of this as the headline inside your email. It should echo the subject line, set the tone, and make the content easy to scan. Move down to the content body. Write in short paragraphs, use subheadings to break up sections, and include links where readers can learn more or take action. Keep your voice friendly and helpful, and make sure every sentence supports the main purpose of the newsletter. Include one primary call to action so readers aren't overwhelmed, and add a plain text link as a backup for any buttons. If you want to enrich the layout, click the plus icon to add more tools. Use this to insert images, buttons, dividers, or other blocks that guide attention. When adding visuals, keep file sizes light and include descriptive alt text. For buttons, use action-oriented labels like read the full article or get the update so people know what happens next. When everything looks good, click Continue. This takes you to a quick review so you can double-check copy, links, formatting, and how it looks on mobile. Finally, choose Publish Broadcast. You can send the email to your audience, publish it to the web for a shareable link, or do both for maximum reach. Confirm the details, make sure everything is accurate, and then publish. That's it, you've built a newsletter on Kit.com. Save your favorite template and messaging styles so your next broadcast is even faster.